Vegetable Appay. Ingredients: coriander leaves, green chili, onion, tomato. Let's make it. 1 cup semolina. Add a half cup curd. Now add the chopped veggies to the bowl. You can put salt to taste. I'm adding a half spoon. Now add some red chili powder as per your tolerance. Start adding the water slowly. Mix it and mix it and mix. If it's this dry, add a little more water as shown. Pro tip: add some eno or baking soda to make it softer. You know what to do. Mix it and mix it. Nice consistency. Add small drops of oil in the Appam maker pits. Take a spoonful of mixture and place into the pits as shown. Fill all the pits one by one and put the stove flame on low to medium in between. Flip the Appay if cooked on one side. Keep flipping unless cooked on both the sides. And it's almost done. This delicious savory dish is made in no time. Try this at home and let us know if you loved it. You delicious little squishy thing, come in my tummy. Enjoy, and please subscribe if you liked it.